Hello everyone, I am Rahul. Today in this video, I am going to explain a C++ program. So guys, let's get started. The program I am going to explain is write a program to mention all your favorite people. Now let's see how this program works. First, I will show you the entire program, how it looks and the example output as what happens when you run the program. In this screen there are two sections, left hand side entire program and right hand side the example output. Now let's see what get printed on the screen first. All the print statement get printed. So this is what you see on the screen, meaning the 7 options to select from. Let's say I enter one. I get the favorite person as MS Dhoni. Let's try one more time to run the program. I run the program again. I get the same options. This time let's try 6. I get the favorite leader as Narendra Modi. So this is very simple program. You have to print the choice on the screen using cout function and display the favorite person name based on what user selects. Now it's time to understand the program line by line. So why to wait? Let's begin. In line by line explanation, I have divided the screen in two parts. Left hand side the program and right hand side the explanation of it. So in this slide, I will explain first two lines. Hash include iostream.h and conio.h. These two are header files which are included in the program using hash include directive. With this, we will be able to use the function declared inside this header file. For example, if we do not include iostream.h, then cin and cout will not work. And if we do not include conio.h, then clr, scr and getch will not work. Moving on next line, which is main function. Execution of program starts from here. Now we are in main function, which you can understand by opening bracket in line 4. Next, the variable declaration. In this case, we are declaring a variable called a, which will be used to capture the user's choice later in the program. Line 14. Next are cout statements. As you know, whatever we write in cout, it will be printed on the screen when you run the program. So here, from line number 6 till line number 13, all the statements will be printed on the screen. First, enter the choice, then number 1, cricket, and so on. Next is the cin statement, which is used to accept the user's input. Users can enter any number from 1 to 7. Here we will capture user's input in variable a. Next is switch statement, which works similar to if statement. The switch expression is evolved once. The value of expression is compared with the value of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. So if someone enters 2, the code after case 2 will be executed. Here you can see all the case statements. Default is used if any users enter invalid input, meaning any number outside the range of 1 to 7, as we have the case statements for 1 to 7 only. For example, any users enter 8, then the default statement will be printed. Wrong choice, try again. Next is getch. It is used to pause the output screen, meaning until you press any key, the output screen will not vanish. Now, it's time for dry run and understand it completely. So why to wait? Let's begin. In this screen in left side, you can see the program. Please note, due to the space constraint, I only took the logic part from the program. That is why you can only see the switch case blocks. And right side, I have taken the dry run table for you. When you run the program, we are given 7 choices. Let's say I enter 1. This value 1 will be stored in the variable a. The value is then passed to the switch block. You see in the bracket here, line number 15. Internally it forwards the request to the case block, which matches the value of variable a, line number 17. So it will execute the cout statement inside case 1, which will print cricket MS Dhoni as output on the screen. The program will exit after pressing any key again. Let's try one more run. This time I enter 6, which will match to the case 6, line number 27, and will print leader as Narendra Modi. So this is how logic works. Now coming on most interesting features of switch statement. Imagine a situation, you are running a program in front of your friend and you ask him to enter his choice. Surprisingly, if he or she enters 9, then what happens? Case 9 is not there in our program. You see, we end at 7. So do you know what will happen in this situation? Anytime if switch statement encounters any invalid input, it will directly move to default block, where we have cout statement which prints wrong choice, try again. So do not forget default block when you write the program. Now with this we have completed the program. If you have any questions, suggestions, please write in comment section. I will do my best to help you. Bye. See you in my next video.